Hey there, what are today's messages? Let's pick a card. Sometimes it takes a good fall to really know where you stand. All right, let's pick some of these quotes today. Beautiful souls recognize beautiful souls. Keep being genuine. Your people will find you. I love that one. I'm only adding I love it things to my I love it bucket. Love yourself enough to set boundaries. Your time and energy are precious. You get to choose how to use it. You teach people how to treat you by deciding what you will and won't accept. Anna Taylor. Spring clean your soul. What used to work for you may not be working anymore because you have evolved. When trauma has shaped you, try not to confuse who you had to become with who you can be. Dr. Thema Bryant Davis. The only thing that will make you happy is being happy with who you are. And the last one today. Your journey is decorated with blessings of all shapes and sizes. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios.